Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz E300 4MATIC. This one's a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with the lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, full intelligent LED headlights and taillights, night package with black accents on the trim, AMG exterior package with AMG exterior, 19-inch AMG wheels, a nut brown black MB text interior with a natural grain gray ashwood trim, sunroof, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, warmth and comfort package with heated seats, heated steering wheel, also including the premium 1 Burmeister sound system, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, parking assistance package, a surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio and media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 23,678 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 certified pre-owned E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.